Hey guys, welcome back to Suji's cookbook. Today I am going to show one of my favorite recipe, that is mango sago. Let's go with ingredients. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 large size mango, 1 cup of boiled milk, 2 cups of sago which I previously soaked for 1 hour. Let's go with procedure. Take a large bowl, add 4 cups of water into it. Let it boil for few minutes. Now I am adding the soaked sago. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes over medium heat. Now switch off the flame and cover it with a lid. Let the sago stand in hot water until translucent. Now take a strainer and rinse the cooked sago under cold running water. Drain well and let it cool completely. Take a mixer grinder. Add these mango pieces. Here I am adding 3/4 cup of mango pieces and remaining keep it aside for garnishing. Now add boiled milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Blend it until smooth and thick paste. Now transfer this mango puree into a serving bowl. And add some sago. Now garnish it with mango pieces. Now the mango sago is ready. If you like my video, please like and comment below, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.